Well, a 48-page report of the NTRO accessed by Times Now exposes how the center of Chinese cyber espionage is attacking Indian cyberspace.
In fact, this report also exposes just how ill-prepared India is to tackle the growing cyber menace.
Provocations, incursions and intrusions. But this time China may have gone too far, now targeting the brain of the Indian security establishment. A 48-page report by the NTRO accessed by Times Now not only blames units based in Guangdong, one of the centers of Chinese cyber espionage, for attacking Indian cyberspace, but also reflects how ill-prepared the country is to tackle the cyber attack. A focused attack aimed at stealing India's confidential documents and sensitive information, but even as those seated in Delhi are aware of the cyber intrusion, they are clueless on how to shield themselves, let alone fight back.
हालांकि इस प्रकार की व्याख्याएं होती रहती हैं, कम से कम अमन और चैन की परिस्थिति को कायम रखने के लिए काम सही चल रहा है.
This latest move by China raising some serious questions. For one, how come these critical Indian websites are so weak that other countries can extract sensitive information so easily? Secondly, how long before India leaves aside its diplomatic means and pursues this issue more aggressively with China? And finally, isn't it time that the opposition and the government put aside petty politics and arm the country from the attack on its nerve center?
If the Chinese have been determined to break into Indian websites, the Indians have been lax. For the Indians have been using old systems and they have not been able to protect sensitive information. Srinjoy Chaudhary, Delhi, Times Now.